And then she said she was going to Ghana, and they were like, yeah, you're not flying anymore. She didn't know where she was.
What am I under arrest for?
Public intoxication. You were making a page when I walked up here. You've been pulling on the jet bridge doors. They have you on camera doing it. So.
Wait, what?
You're going to jail.
Wait, I know my rights, and I need to be able to contact my attorney right now.
You're not contacting your attorney right now.
Oh, I know I know my rights.
You do have rights. You are 100% correct.
Right.
You do not have the right to contact them right at this moment.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't. You sure don't.
On November 2nd, 2024, airport police in Colorado arrested a female passenger at a departure gate following reports of unauthorized intercom use, an attempt to force open secured jet bridge doors, and visible intoxication. 3 charges were filed. Each raises a distinct legal issue.
14-97. Are you traveling by yourself?
Yeah, we're on site.
I don't know what that means.
Are you traveling with anybody? Put your phone down.
Nope, I'm not putting my phone down.
Okay, you're under arrest.
No!
Yeah.
Oh my God, stop.
You're under arrest.
Stop it.
Put your bag down.
Nope, stop. No.
Put your phone down. Put your phone down. All right.
They're trying to arrest me.
Alright, subject.
They're trying to arrest me right now.
You're under
I'm
arrest.
telling you. I'm not doing anything. I'm not resisting.
Yes, you are. Okay.
Are they resisting us?
What are you doing? Exactly.
Ma'am, you're under arrest.
For what?
Public intoxication.
Responding unit's dog is trying to bite Officer Powell, and he's trying to take her in custody. She's resisting.
So silly. This is so silly. So silly. Good girl, honey. What did you just put on me? What did you just put on me? What did you just put on me?
I got this one.
Honey! Y'all are so, like, what in the world? This is so stupid.
Hey, come on. I know you hear me. Hey, you have
You gotta close it up more.
custody. Please pick up the phone so I can ask you what is going on.
There you go.
I'm concerned for her safety.
This is so crazy. Hunt! Y'all, seriously. Like, I have all of her paperwork. I have everything I need to show you. I've not done I'm not in any offense. Hunt, yep. Hunt, yep. Hunt, yep. Hunt, yep.
10:15.
Hunt, yep.
Can you hang up the phone?
Hunt. No, you're not hanging up that phone. That's my sister. You're not hanging up that phone. No.
You look like a little.
You're not hanging up that phone. That's my sister. Hunt. What the hell? Like, this is so crazy. I mean, like, seriously.
Yeah, you ID.
Seriously.
Where's your identification at?
Well, if you yeah, everything's there. Oh my God. Hunt, hey, don't you touch her. Don't touch her.
She ain't going to, she's not going to jail with you, so.
If she bites you,
I'm not going to jail.
You sure are, ma'am.
For what?
Because you're intoxicated and you're
I'm not
out here.
intoxicated.
Okay, well, you're going to jail.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Animal control. Control limit.
No.
You don't get that right now.
I'm not
You're
talking
under
to you.
arrest.
What am I under arrest for?
Public intoxication. You were making a page when I walked up here. You've been pulling on the jet bridge doors. They have you on camera doing it. So.
Wait, what?
You're going to jail.
Wait, hold on. Say it again.
You're going to jail?
No, before that.
Public intoxication. You're going to jail for it.
Wait.
Public intoxication, disorderly conduct.
Oh, wow.
and more than likely resisting arrest.
Man, listen, listen. I know my rights, and I need to be able to contact my attorney right now.
You're not contacting your attorney right now.
Oh, I know I know my rights.
You do have rights. You are 100% correct.
Right.
You do not have the right to contact them right at this moment.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't. You sure don't.
So crazy.
Yeah. That's all. Get away from the dog.
Wait, stop.
Stand up.
Hey,
I put in the call with animal control.
Give me a second.
Call us back. So it's
Give me a second. I don't want you to pull me up.
I'm not.
I don't need to know. Hey, stop. Stop. Stop.
Nothing for you but the van.
Stop.
Okay. Just have a seat in the chair.
Take a seat in the chair.
No, stop.
There you go.
Wow. Yeah, I'm trying to slip it off. I need
Do I
this
need to go
off.
tighter for you?
No. I need you to take it off for a second so I can...
You're not doing anything.
Oh, this is so nuts.
Well, you shouldn't drink too much, and you should learn how to be an adult and control how much you drink.
I'm not even trying to drive. I'm getting on a plane. I mean, seriously.
How long have you been at the airport today? Have you waited for your flight
I
for a long
got
time?
here at 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. What have you done since 2 o'clock?
I didn't have like anything to eat or drink.
You didn't have anything to eat or drink at the airport? So you drank a lot of alcohol before you came to the airport? Is that what you're saying?
I'm not saying that.
Okay.
Does your dog bite?
Does she bite?
Yes.
Depends.
Okay. Has she bit people before?
No.
Okay.
She nibbled at me the entire time. She did not bite.
What time was the DC flight leaving at?
That flight was supposed to leave.
Did it already leave?
Yeah, it's gone.
Yeah, that's what I figured. Because I didn't see anyone else down here, so I figured it was gone.
She was the last person to board, but she just couldn't make her way down, and took her 10 minutes to try to produce her boarding pass, but she couldn't. For 10 minutes.
What time was that flight?
It was a 6:25 departure.
Okay. The flight was departed at 6:25. She just couldn't make it to the... Apparently she was standing here with the dog, and they made multiple pages for her name, and she wouldn't board the flight. They tried to manually board her.
You have her paperwork in your bag.
Yeah, apparently she couldn't produce a boarding pass, and so they were trying to help her out and manually board her. And then she said she was going to Ghana, and they were like, yeah, you're not flying anymore. She didn't know where she was. So she was denied and started yanking on doors and making pages. And
The most consequential error is the public intoxication charge. Colorado does not criminalize public intoxication. Colorado Revised Statutes, Section 27, 81-112, expressly prohibits any municipality from enacting a law that makes public drunkenness a criminal offense. The legislature designated visible intoxication a public health matter, not a criminal one. A defense motion to dismiss on this count would be well-founded from the first filing. The underlying conduct intercom misuse and jet bridge forcing already provided sufficient grounds for disorderly conduct. The added count creates avoidable appellate exposure without strengthening the case. The disorderly conduct charge is legally sound. Under Colorado Revised Statutes, Section 18-9-106, making unreasonable noise in a public place constitutes disorderly conduct. Broadcasting unauthorized announcements over an airport's public paging system satisfies this element directly. The statute requires only knowing or reckless conduct, no specific intent to harm. The conduct was documented on airport cameras before officers arrived. The evidentiary foundation is strong. Colorado Revised Statutes, Section 18-8-103, defines resisting arrest as knowingly using physical force or any other means creating a substantial risk of bodily injury to prevent an officer from making an arrest. Notably, it is not a defense that the underlying arrest was unlawful, provided the officer acted under color of authority without excessive force. Attempting to slip handcuffs satisfies the statute's any other means element. This is the strongest charge of the three. The most significant legal gap was not what was charged, it was what was not. Forcing open jet bridge doors to the secured airfield potentially violates 49 United States Code Section 46-314, which prohibits knowingly entering an aircraft area in violation of security requirements. This is a federal criminal offense, carrying up to 1 year of imprisonment. Airport security incidents occupy dual jurisdiction. State law governs disorderly conduct, while federal law governs unauthorized airside access. Officers at the scene appeared unaware of this dimension.
Do not do that. Do not bring your cuffs around the front.
I'm just trying to
No, they're not supposed to be comfortable.
Do not bring
but they're not going to be comfortable anyway.
Correct.
Hey, Hans, hey, good girl.
All right. So here's the plan. We're going to take her and the dog both. We're going to go downstairs. We're going to load your dog into a different car, and we're all going to go back to the station together. Okay?
There's no one that can come get the dog here.
You just told me 3 minutes ago.
Nashville.
You just told me.
Yeah, no, in Nashville.
You just told me there was.
Okay.
No.
Okay. That makes gotta leave.
As soon as this door opens, there's stairs, so we have to go downstairs. They still have to be behind you. So please don't resist in any way going down the stairs, because I don't want to see anybody get hurt.
Yeah, it's on the top.
I'm not going to hurt you, I promise.
She doesn't like strangers. She doesn't like strangers.
That's fine, but I'm going to have to pay her, so.
No, you're not.
Somebody is. Yeah, somebody
Wow.
is.
Okay, no. So no. Y'all, I'm leaving for Africa.
Not right now. Tomorrow, at least. Maybe later.
And you want the dog to be able to go with you, right?
She is going with me. I have all of her paperwork and everything.
Then do your best to keep the dog calm.
She's not. She can't go to jail with you, so she's going to go with us.
I'm not going to jail.
You are going to jail. You are going to jail.
What?
We explained that to you.
What? For what?
Hold on just a second, and let me tell you something.
I promise.
You want the dog has to go with us.
God. Hey!
I'm trying
Stop
to put
yelling.
this on your dog.
Stop yelling.
Oh my God. Y'all, this is so.
Listen to me. Stop yelling.
No, I need to
Because
call
you're
my
going to
attorney right
agitate
now.
the dog. You're
No,
not calling your attorney.
Yes, I am.
I already told you you're not calling your attorney.
Yes, I am.
You're really not.
Yes.
You're really not.
Oh my God. Y'all, this is so.
Stop. Stop.
You drank. You were making posts
Stand by for
in the airport. You were trying to open jet bridge doors to get to secured areas.
Stop.
You're drunk in public.
Hey.
Oh
You're
my
going to jail
God.
for that.
Listen to me. Listen
Don't
to me.
make it worse.
Calm down so that you don't agitate the dog more, right? I don't want anything to happen to your dog, but we need to keep the dog as calm as possible because the dog has to get in the car. Okay? Does that make sense?
No, none of this makes sense.
Okay. I'm sorry you're not understanding, but I can't explain it any differently than that. You're going to jail. The dog has to leave this airport, and now because you told us no one's coming
You
to
don't know. You don't know. You know what? You know what? I know what started this.
Okay.
She got your hand.
Yeah, she does.
I'm listening.
Listen, I know my rights,
Yep.
and I can call my attorney right now.
Can't call him right
Yes,
now.
I can.
Nope.
Yes, I can.
We're still actively in the process of taking you into custody because you're being arrested. I would stop resisting because I will charge you.
This is so
With resisting.
crazy that y'all are arresting me. Like, what the?
Got her.
I mean, like, are you seriously? Like,
She likes you. I'm not going to hurt your mom.
y'all,
I promise. If I reach down there and grab it, is she going to bite me again? It's a yes or no question.
Do you want to reach down and grab her lead?
If you don't want to grab it, then I'm going to put this on her, and then I'm going to drag her out. So, I mean, it's...
Take this off.
Nope, it's directly
No.
underneath.
Oh my God.
It's right under your hand right now. If you will take it, it will make this whole process easier.
This is so crazy. You guys, like, seriously. Really?
Yes.
All right, we're good.
The subject repeatedly demanded to call her attorney. Officers denied each request. The constitutional question is whether those denials were lawful. They were. The Sixth Amendment right to counsel attaches at the initiation of formal adversarial proceedings, not during an arrest. The Supreme Court established this in Kirby v. Illinois in 1972. The Fifth Amendment, right under Miranda v. Arizona, applies to custodial interrogation, which was not occurring here. The denials were constitutionally permissible during the active arrest process. Once booked, however, any further denial of attorney access constitutes a distinct constitutional violation under clearly established law. The officers receive a B. Probable cause was solid on the disorderly conduct and resisting arrest charges. No excessive force was used during a prolonged and difficult encounter. The dog management strategy was a genuine tactical strength. The grade is held back by the legally non-existent public intoxication count, an unprofessional remark during restraint, and the failure to identify a potential federal charge. The subject receives a D+. The pre-arrival conduct established every legal predicate for the arrest. Sustained resistance and voluntary disclosure of probation status compounded the situation considerably.
Okay, come on. Can you go this way? We're gonna grab your stuff. We're not gonna leave it. Right here. Nope, nope. Dude, stop calling the dog. She's getting in one of these cars. I don't care which.
So crazy. Do you know how much like this is gonna like screw up like my probation and stuff?
Well, that's not good.
It's very not good.
Yep.
It's very not good.
What are you on probation for?
So I got set up from a guy that I met at a retreat in Oregon, and
All right.
I doubt you care.
Your dog's in that car. You're going in this car. We're all going to the same building. All right. Just a second. I got it. All right. I'm going to seatbelt you. This is the only time you're going to get seatbelted. If you unbuckle, that's on you, okay? The seatbelt's there for your safety, okay?
Where are you taking my dog?
She's gonna go to our station with our canine units for right now.
All right, so she had all the paperwork. I'm assuming y'all are going to need a copy of that.
Oh, okay.
So she was traveling out of country, so the dog has all of its vaccines.
Oh, okay.
One of my canine officers was the one who went and got it and loaded it into his car and brought it to the kennel. And I had him double check the paperwork because I don't know what I'm looking at.
Do you understand how this is?
I understand you feel that way. Yep.
Anyway, I don't know, nothing wrong with stuff.
Yeah, your bag's up front. I've got your medicine, your phone, your wallet, all right here. I've got it in your hat. So we're gonna walk towards that door on the far side.
Wait.
And it'll be going to our station, and you have the address of where to pick it up in the morning, because they won't take bags. It says it on the door right over here. But they don't take backpacks.
Flight is supposed to be like...
Flight's already gone. Like an hour gone.
I know.
It's probably already in DC.
I know.
Becca, hold on. I didn't tell you to come through yet. Have you been exposed to COVID the last 14 days?
What's COVID?
If you don't know, you're good.
I don't.
Any chance you're pregnant?
I feel like it.
All right, come step on this black mat for me, please. Thank you.
3 observations. First, in Colorado, booking for public intoxication signals a failure of basic statutory knowledge and invites dismissal. Second, airport security incidents require dual jurisdiction awareness. Forced entry to an airside area may trigger federal criminal liability independently of any state charge. That distinction belongs in the supervisory report. Third, constitutional accuracy and professional communication are not in conflict. The attorney access denials were lawful. The dismissive tone was neither necessary nor appropriate. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.